Good morning, all dear students. Students, today we are going to start the first chapter of 8th standard. The name of the chapter, rational number. Students, before starting rational number, I am going to write down the basic term that is very necessary to start rational number. So I am going to write down the name of the chapter. This is the chapter chapter number 1. Okay, and we know that what is the name of rational number. Okay, so this is our chapter name, rational number. So students, first terms which is very necessary to learn in this chapter, that is our natural number. Students, already we had learned many things about the rational number. So here I will talk the about natural number. Natural number, ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो ये थोड़ा कम चल रहा है स्टूडेंट्स, सो अभी थोड़ी देर इसको हम लोग नहीं यूज़ करते हैं. वी विल यूज़ अनदर पेन. सो व्हाट इज़ नेचुरल नंबर स्टूडेंट्स? आपको रिकॉल कराऊं. लेट मी रिकॉल द नेचुरल नंबर. इट इज started फ्रॉम 1. ये नंबर 1 से स्टार्ट होते हैं. आफ्टर दैट इट एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू वांट टू एग्जाम्पल 1 2 3 4 5. आफ्टर दैट it will goes up to plus infinity. That is what? Infinite. That is called infinite. What does mean infinite means? Infinite means, what does mean infinite? It means it never ends. It never ends. Okay, then what is the next term? It is denoted by this symbol. So this is the symbol capital N that we are using. Okay, for the natural number we are using capital N. Okay, now another term. अच्छा स्टूडेंट्स, बाय वी आर रीडिंग हियर नेचुरल नंबर को हम यहाँ रीड आउट क्यों कर रहे हैं? तो सपोज वी हैव हियर, we have example, we have one equation, we have equation, we have equation. Okay, we have equation. In that what? In that we have given x plus y equal to 10. So x will be 5 and it satisfies the above equation. ये क्या कर रही है कि ऊपर वाले कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करेगी. यू कुड नाउ चेक इट आउट. इफ यू प्लेस हियर 5 plus 5 become 10. So you can say here 5 is a natural number. 5 is natural number. Now next term students, after that we will learn the whole number. Whole number. numbers. Whole numbers. Yes, friends. So in whole numbers we are going to read about whole numbers. See what is whole numbers. So whole number is started from 0. Okay, example like लिख सकते हैं, like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then plus infinity. This is what it's all infinite. What does it mean? It never ends. ये कभी ख़त्म नहीं होते. स्टूडेंट देखो, होल नंबर के अंदर दो चीज़ एसोसिएटेड है. दिस इज व्हाट 0, that is whole number, and this is your natural number. This is what? This is our whole number. 0 is what? 0 is comes in whole number, and this is what? Natural number. It indicates our natural number. This is and this completely including this and this from 0 onwards, 0 to ये जो पार्ट है वो क्या है, इधर से यहाँ से टू यहाँ तक. बट इसकी बात करें तो ये 0 से स्टार्ट होता है and covers up to infinite. This is our whole number. So what you could say by observing these numbers, you could say whole number is greater. Whole number is greater than natural number. Okay, or you could say natural number is the sub part. Natural number is the sub part of whole number. How to read out natural number is subset of whole number. Okay, understood? Okay, students. So and natural number is a subset of whole number. So in this way we can understand this whole number. One more thing, why we had started whole number, हमने लर्न क्यों किया था, तो रीज़न क्या है उसके पीछे. सपोज वी हैव गिवन अ इक्वेशंस, we have given an equation. हमको एक इक्वेशन दिया गया है एंड दिस इज व्हाट. कैसा है समझते हैं. इट इज़ लाइक x plus 5 equal to 5, where x equal to 0. It satisfies the above equation. It satisfies the above equation. Okay. Okay, students. Now we will learn the new term, that is integer. न्यू टर्म है ये. दिस इज व्हाट, इंटीजर. integers, and it is denoted by z. It is denoted by z. Okay, so स्टूडेंट्स अब समझते हैं what is integers. All positive and all positive and all positive and negative numbers. All positive and negative numbers, all positive and negative numbers, including 0 is called integers. You have to keep this thing in mind. This is our integers. Now एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे. सी 0 1 2 3 4 5 and then plus infinite. Here -1 -2 -3 -4 and then it goes minus infinity. This is what स्टूडेंट समझेंगे ये क्या है. This is negative infinite. Negative infinite. And what is this? This is positive number. This is what? This is positive number, and it is also infinite. Okay. Now it is denoted by. It is denoted by z. It is denoted by z. Now why are we reading here this integer? What is the reason? See, suppose we have given, okay, supposed we have given an equation. मान लो हमको एक क्या दिया हो, एक इक्वेशन given. In equations, what type of equation? Look at here. Here is x plus 5 equal to minus 5. Where x will be minus 10. So x equal to minus x क्या होगा, minus 10. x equal to minus 10 is the solution. x 10 minus 10 is the solution. It satisfies above equation. It satisfies above equation. Here minus 10 is the integer. So that's why it is very necessary to learn integer, क्योंकि -10 is the part of integer, और अगर -10 यहाँ रखते हैं तो आंसर हमारा -5 आता है. So students, here we have completed integer. Now new term that we are going to study, that is rational number, and that is the name of our chapter. See students, this is our new term and name of that rational number. We have rational numbers. Rational numbers. Now in rational number, what would you say? You will write a number which, see, a number which can be written in p by q form, where q cannot be 0, is called rational. A number which can be written in p by q form where q cannot be 0 is called rational number. इसी को हम क्या कहते हैं? rational number कहते हैं. Students, one point is here remaining. Integer is the, integer के बारे में आप कहोगे कि n is the sub part of w and w is the sub part of z. So z is the bigger number, okay, in comparing and n and w. okay, आगे चलते हैं. In rational number, a number which can be written in p by q form where q cannot be 0 is called rational. स्टूडेंट्स, आप समझेंगे कि हम लोग q 0 क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए. सपोज हमारे पास नंबर है 2/0, तो होल टर्म क्या हो जाएगा? 0, है ना. और कभी भी 2/0 1/0 ये एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. एग्जाम्पल में देखेंगे, हम लिखेंगे 7/5, 2/3, -3/2, 0/1, -1/1, -7/8. These all are rational number. These are rational number. Why? Because they have numerator as well as denominators. डिनोमिनेटर में देखो 5 है, न्यूमरेटर में 7 है, पी बाई क्यू फॉर्म है. दिस इज ऑल्सो पी बाई क्यू फॉर्म. दिस ऑल नंबर बिलोंग टू पी बाई क्यू फॉर्म. सो दिस इज आर रैशनल नंबर. अब इसके बाद एक और इसका आगे काम करते हैं. नाउ all natural numbers are rational numbers. Now सारे नेचुरल नंबर हमारे रैशनल नंबर है. वाई? 1 2 3 4 5. If you 1 2 3, इसके नीचे 1 आएगा, इसके नीचे. सो यहाँ पे हमने नेचुरल नंबर में हमने देखा ये 1 2 3 4 5 होता है और इनके नीचे ऑलरेडी हमेशा नंबर 1 नंबर होता है. सब नेचुरल नंबर के नीचे 1 1 होता है. सो every natural number has 1 as denominator, which remains remains hidden. Therefore, all natural numbers are rational number. Again, as above, all whole numbers as well as all integers are rational number. See, whole number are here integer. Integer. सो हमारे पास होल नंबर कौन कौन से स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास हैं 0 1 2 3 और होल नंबर की बात करेंगे -3 -2 -1 0 1 सो इफ़ यू कन्वर्ट इन रेशनल नंबर सो हाउ टू राइट इन रेशनल नंबर देखो स्टूडेंट रेशनल नंबर में कैसे हो जाता है वो इम्पोर्टेंट है रेशनल नंबर में हो जाएगा 0/1 1/1 2/1 and 3/1 here -3/1 -2/1 -1/1 0/1 1/1 and 2/1 since they can be written P/Q form. They all are said rational number. Okay, students, I am going to finish this lecture over here. In next lecture, we will cover closure property for rational number, whole number, integer, and our rational number. So here we are going to finish our lecture. Thank you.